Hello everyone, I'm Renoy, and this is Git Reaper, built for the Kiroween Hackathon. Before I talk, let's solve a problem. Every single developer here has a repository haunted by dead branches. They clutter the list, confuse new hires, and make maintenance a nightmare. My solution is Git Reaper. I simply paste a GitHub URL and hit Reap. I built this to be zero setup. It uses the GitHub API, so no cloning is needed. Notice the while live progress tracking. It's analyzing hundreds of branches in real time. Analysis complete. We now have the graveyard, a sorted list of dead branches that were merged months ago but left undeleted. It tells us the age. This tool is lightning fast and built privacy first. It's read-only and stores absolutely zero data. Let's dive into the process and the tech behind the speed. The stack is Nextjs 14 TypeScript. The biggest challenge was efficiently communicating with the GitHub API for fast data retrieval. We calculate branch status and last commit age for every branch. But the true hackathon innovation is the server-sent events implementation. This is what allows the server to continuously stream that real-time progress data to the client, providing that transparent, live checking experience. Finally, the design. I wanted the UI to be highly distinctive, using a graveyard theme with animations, making the normally boring task of maintenance memorable and engaging. To conclude, Git Reaper solves a universal developer problem, repository clutter, with a unique UI and a high-performance backend architecture focusing on API efficiency and real-time user feedback. The code is fully open source and available on GitHub right now. Thank you.